close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
I bought this car only for $500. If you don't know why, let me show you guys. This is a really cheap price for this car because these cars are worth more than 10 grand, and it was a luck, but let's see how it turns out to be because I see some damage over here on the hood. And let me have you walk around of the car and let me bring the key of the car. I'm going to show you guys if this flip is worth it or no. Thank you. So we finally got the key right here, and let me start it up and see if this thing actually worth $700. There's a lot of airbags, and let's see. Let's start it up. I think it has charging. Nice. Right. No music because we don't want copyright on our videos. You never know. This is a car which I bought for $700, and it is a really cheap price for this kind of car. And if I tell you the miles, you're gonna be so surprised because the miles on this car are like really low. Let me show you guys from here. I think you can see it. Only 75,000 miles. That's actually crazy for 700. This car is like a cashier check of 10,000. So I think it's gonna be a good flip. It needs airbag. It needs the side shade airbag and one behind too. But I wonder why this airbag didn't deploy, because two of them were deployed. But this is a really good car, man. Really good car. And I think it has Bluetooth and all this stuff too on the infotainment system. And it has a windscreen crack right here, and that needs to be fixed. And this car has 75,000 miles. That's actually a really good thing about it. Nice. Alright, let me turn off the car. If you see from outside, I think it needs the hood and the headlamp and obviously bumper. It's totally broken. It's like totally cracked, so it can't be fixed, and it needs this thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but I think we can just paint this one. And yeah, this red light is good. You need one headlamp and a bumper and a hood and the windscreen, and I think that's all it needs to be roadworthy, because I don't see any other major damage, because the radiator looks good, the headlamp is broken. I think this is a part of the bumper, right? Yeah, this thing is a part of the bumper. Let me open the hood and show you guys that what's inside it. I think it's locked. Yep. Engine literally looks like a new engine from a dealership. It's got some dust, but see right here, looks like brand new car. And you can even tell that thing from the things inside the engine, like the mounts right here and the mounts right here. It's a new battery. It's literally a brand new battery. And if you see the engine bay, everything looks perfectly fine, but all it needs is the hood right here. The whole hood needs to be changed. We'll have to paint it, and we're going to show you guys how we paint it. And it needs the headlamp right here, and it's this thing and the bumper, and I think this fender too. Or it might work if we fix it from here and we paint it. But the tire looks new, and there's no damage on the door. Oh yeah, there's damage on one elsewhere, and that's right here. You see right here, it's like this thing is going inside, so it needs to be pulled out. That's not a hard job, that's an easy job. But man, if you see from outside, this thing is a really good deal right here. I think that's all this car needs, and the airbags need to be fixed. We have to buy new airbags, and I think that's it. And the car is ready to go, ready to flip, and I think we will be able to flip it for more than 10,000, because this car, you know, the car value of this car is a lot. It's like 12,000 or maybe like 13,000. Still, if you like just throw it away, you can still sell it for like 10,000. And we're gonna show you the video in which you're gonna flip it. But this is a good deal, and guys, 500 is actually crazy for this car. You know that, right? 500 is a really good deal for this car. So I mean, 5 was the price, and we paid like 200 the fees on it. And I'm not gonna tell you guys where we bought the car from, but in the comments, if I get a good reach on this post, on this video, then I'm gonna share you guys that from where I buy the cars and for how much I pay for the cars, and what's the process of bringing the car, taking the cars, and bidding on the cars. Actually, this car was from the auction, so but yeah, it's gonna be a good car and it's gonna be a good flip. And I'm gonna keep you updated by posting more videos on how we fix it and how we sell it. Thank you guys, stay tuned.